In this video, I'll be showing you how you can add glow text effects in Davinci Resolve. It is super simple. So first of all, what you need to do is open up your project. Then you need to go to Effects, Titles, and then you need to find the text plus. Then from here, you can change the title or the text to whatever you want to do or have. You can change the font to whatever, the color, the sizing, tracking everything really you can change. Then you need to go to Effects. You need to go to Open Effects. You need to go to Search bar and click on Glow. But before you drag the glow effect in, you need to go down to the text plus and make it a compound clip. Create, like so. Then from here, you can just drag it into your clip, like this. And as you can see up here on the preview, you can see there's a little bit of glow. From here, you have the opportunity to go down to composite mode and change it to screen. And you will see why in a second, like that. Now it's more glowing. From here, you have the effects tab. And here you can change all of these settings down here. But in this tutorial, I'll just change the color to a red. As you can see, now there is red inside. And I can change the opacity. I can change the brightness, the saturation, the gain, the gamma. And I can change all of these other things. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!